Happy New Year from the team here at Brace Tool. As we kickstart 2025, there are a few things that we would like to share with you that we're excited to do in this new year. Firstly, we received many great feedbacks about the educational resources that we publish on our online channels in 2024. We're glad to see that not only our customers, but also the next generation of operators are learning how to properly and safely handle downhole equipment. Now, we've only published a few of these videos, but we've seen the value that it provided to the Brace Tool community, and this gives us the motivation to publish more consistently in 2025. That being said, if you have any content suggestions or have any educational resource that you'd like for us to produce, please do not hesitate to send an email to marketing@bracetool.com, or even yet, leave comments down below our comment section in our social media posts on our online channels. Lastly, we will be having a few additions to our product line this year, 2025. But we cannot reveal to you what they are yet in this video, but when the time is right, we will be notifying the Brace Tool community through our email newsletter. So if you haven't already subscribed to the Brace Tool email list, now is the best time for you to subscribe to make sure that you're updated when we post new content or even have any exclusive discounts. We will be adding a link on our website where you can subscribe to our newsletter. This has been a short one, but this is all we have for you in this video. If you find value in what we do here at Brace Tool, we encourage you to follow us on our online channels. We'd like for you to be a part of the Brace Tool community and also contribute to the enhancements of downhole operations. Thank you for watching this video.